Hey, welcome back to the My Lead System Pro walkthrough, the step-by-step tutorial just for you. Today we're going to cover step number 10 and beyond. And what we're going to do is I'm going to lay this out really simply for you, just so that there's no confusion, so that you can get your business up and running, give you everything I've got. Okay, so stick around. Let's just watch this real quick. So we're back. We're going to talk about My Lead System Pro, and I'm going to give you step-by-step directions here. So this is as simple as it can possibly be. First thing, step number one is you're going to come log into the back office. Once you get your $1 trial for 30 days, you get access to all of this stuff, and just jump in here and grab it. And the link is below if you want the $1 trial, and just get started and walk through these steps, and you'll get going really quick too. So you come to the tab across the top here that says Start Here. You're going to come down. It says Simple Start. And what you're going to do is come down here to the very bottom when he logs through and say step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way through 10. You should, if you haven't watched 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, go back to this playlist and just jump to the other videos that walk through step 1, step 2, step 3, and it walks you through each one of those steps, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So today we're on step number 10. Go to step number 10, watch the video, okay? And once you're done watching that video, I want to bring up something here. It says the My Lead System Pro Getting Started Checklist. It's going to take you by the hand and walk you through your next steps over the next 60 to 90 days. 60 to 90 days to make an income. Now, I will give you a disclaimer here because it's like, it can't possibly be this good. Well, there is some pieces of the puzzle that need to be connected, and that's what I'm here for today to show you how to do. Okay? All right, you're going to click download now, and this form right here will pop up. Save it to your hard drive, save it, print it off next to your computer, save it on your computer, and pull it up when you're taking a look. And here's the steps. This is about as simple as you can get. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So number one, it says beginning your audience. So you remember, we've got build your audience, engage your audience, and sell your audience. And this should be done on a regular basis, all at the same time. That can be kind of overwhelming sometimes, but I'm going to show you how to cut through all that garbage. Okay. And we're going to get right to work. Okay. So you're going to go to the member library, step by step vision. You need to pay attention to who you want to become, the life that you want. Okay. Too many people get involved in this company and in any business, and they go, they just start following anybody. And then a couple years down the road, they realize they have a business that they didn't really want, or the lifestyle they really wanted. So you have to figure out who you are, what you want, right? Do you want a lifestyle where do you love social media? Do you love the connection with other people, right? That's a big thing. If you're more of an introvert and you're really not interested, or it's like, I really want something that's more automated. Well, there's leaders inside of My Lead System Pro to give you all of that. I'm choosing personally the path that I choose, so that you know what you're following, is the automation side. I love bringing in people into my community. I love bringing people into my world. But what I want is, I want to bring the right people in. I don't want to bring everyone in. So that's kind of the process in my mind. And I choose to work with a handful of people versus thousands of people. And I'd rather work with that handful who really want their business to grow. And that's where we're at. So you can choose to use this piece of the puzzle right here. It says study the Zero Rejection Marketing Challenge recordings. They are in the actually Facebook group. They're also in the back office. You can click the link right here. It's literally linked to it. It's a great starter, a great overview of attraction marketing and how things kind of work and that sort of thing. The business dashboard. This is really good deal. And so here it asks you to decide what you'll focus on selling for the next 90 days. You could literally focus on selling one piece. Like you could just sell the $1 trial to My Lead System Pro for the next 30 days. And that's a great thing, because $1 trial is very simple. It's easy to get going. It says get clear on your perfect customer avatar, dream client, ideal client. Who do you serve? And a lot of people try to make this harder than it has to be. I have a method that I learned from people like Frank Kern and different people, and Mark Harbert and different people, that I can put out an ad and I can let people choose who likes what I have by their wallet. And I really like that opportunity a whole bunch. It takes a lot of the guesswork out. It's kind of fun. And then you figure out what their biggest problems or challenges are. They'll tell you, okay? So here, okay, use as a relevant freebie giveaway. And what this means is, let's say that you have a freebie. Okay, let's come over here and you can come product campaigns. Let's, okay, generic lead campaigns. This is a good one. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to the start here, go over to training my websites and the generic lead gen campaigns. Okay. And what you're going to do is just come down here, and I suggest doing any of these. You can pick, let's say the $5 challenge, get pro prospects on LinkedIn. And just for giggles, we could do posting for profits. Let's just do that one. So you could actually come over here and pull this up. So this is what I want you to do. As now that you've kind of done your vision, you figure out who you are, where you are, what you want to do, is go, you can give this away for free and it'll generate leads and sales. Okay, so posting for profits, number one is I want you to go over and pick, and I want you to pick this up, and I want you to look at it and review it, and I want you to study it. Do it for yourself. Okay, and document, even if it's just simple recording on Zoom, but document the results. You went through posting for profits. It's 5 days. It's going to be a small win, and that's okay. You get one small win. There's tons of people out there who want that same small win that you just did. Okay, so you're going to use this as a giveaway, and then as you're talking to people, you could use the results that you've gotten off of that posting for profits challenge, and just say, hey, look, if you're looking for more leads and you want to clean up your profile, here, check out this link. I used this, and I got some lead. This is what happened with mine. Keep it very simple, and that's going to be your freebie lead magnet. Okay, and what you can do is, this is so cool, right? So the idea is to create your system. Okay, you're going to have a free lead magnet, and Frank Kern says it the best: give them something for free, sell them something else. So you could give them the posting for profits $1. That's actually a free challenge, a 5-day free challenge. They take it, go through it, they're good, right? They learn their material, they learn the stuff, you get stuff off of it. You're able to talk about your freebie that you just did. Okay, and then you can sell them a $1 trial offer to My Lead System Pro. Yeah, it's $1, but it's a very low barrier to entry because you just gave them a huge deal that you really helped them out on their posting for profits challenge, right? They fixed their profile, and now they've actually got some results themselves. Hey, you want to sign up? It's $1. Check it out for 30 days if you like it. Here's all the other fun stuff with it. Let them dig in here and play and say, oh my gosh, this is amazing. See? So then you sell them that. And then the next thing you could obviously sell would be a regular membership, the basic, the pro, or the premium. And you can do the yearly versions of all those, right? And you could give more offers and give bonuses and help, and it's just endless. But keep it very basic, keep it very simple, okay? And so here's a very simple thing in your back office, right? This one says these are My Lead System Pro campaigns. It's under websites, MLSP campaigns, and this down here is where you can give them the link, right, to the $1 offer. You can do a trial offer, or if these people really enjoy it and they like it a whole lot, well, guess what? They can come over here and you can give them a no trial offer where they pay the monthly membership right off the bat. It works really good. Okay, that sounds like a lot of craziness, right? It sounds, oh my gosh, it's a lot of stuff, right? And it kind of is, but what I'm going to show you. Okay, so it talks about clean up your profile. Go over here, posting for profits challenge, go for yes challenge. There's a lot of stuff in here that you can go through. But what I want you to do is I want you to get up and running fast. So what I'm doing for you is this funnelizer. Okay, My Lead System Pro has a funnel built in. Okay, and what I'm going to give you is if you get started with just the $1 trial, not a big deal. Get started with it today. What I'm going to do is if you get started with My Lead System Pro today, you click on this link down in the comments below, It'll say my sales funnel. And what I'm going to give you is a token to this exact funnel right here. So this is a template that you can edit yourself. Free download. Guess what? You can change this up, and what you can do is you're posting for profits, or if there's another one that you choose you want to do, you can make a nice little cool graphic, not a big deal, and put that graphic right here in your funnel. Change out the wording a little bit, make it fit what you're giving away. You're giving away a course for free. So what I'm doing is I'm going to give you the funnel to actually put it all into play. So it puts it in a nice formatted version, and super cool, super easy to do, especially with this funnelizer. It's really, so change your stuff out, put your pretty picture there, right? Free access now. They want the course. So they get their course, then they're going to come over here to a sales page, and you're going to sell them something. This might be just the $1 offer, and that's okay. That would be perfect to do right here. Perfect to do. You could give them this $1 offer and use all of the bonuses that are already linked into My Lead System Pro. Over $8,000 worth of stuff for $1. That's serious. I mean, that's kind of a no-brainer. And again, this whole process right here is super simple to do. And again, this is a full sales page, but it's easily editable. And I'll give you the course. Actually, if you get started as well, I'll give you the course to show you exactly how to edit all this step by step. It'll walk you through. Click this button, click that button. It'll be super clear. And the best part is, you'll be part of our group, and you can ask me any question you want. And, we do like a group coaching thing. You get access to another, it's called a Workshop Warriors group. You'll get access to that. There's a bunch of other people in there you can ask questions of as well along your journey. That's a whole nother bonus, but that's another group. And we have a messenger chat that we can get on and we go through. So here's something that's all pre-done for you. From payment options, right? It'll take you over, if you get the pro version, which if you click the link below, it's going to be the $1 trial. You get the pro version for the $1 for 30 days. And you'll have access to the business center. It'll walk you through how to set up your pages over there, the whole 9 yards. Okay. So this is really cool. So you come there and it gives you a lot of this stuff, but it tells you, like, I feel your pain. These are the pains that you're looking for. Well, I'm not making money. Hello. And then it talks about the problem. So these are things that's super easy to do. Just a little bit of target research with your people, and then some testimonials. Those are always really nice to have. And then your awesome product. So this is your sales page. Number 2. Number 3 page would be like your one-time offer. Congratulations, you're in. And if you're going to sell a one-time offer, usually you're talking less than $100, right? And so here, you could actually upsell this to let's say a yearly process, a yearly membership. And this, you might give away as a bonus, give away a group where you get involved and put everybody in here, and everybody, you get a group where you hang out and we talk, and you walk through people through what you're already doing. So you can walk people through what you're doing. Okay. And then of course you'll get all this stuff here as well. Okay. So, and this is, I'm going to show, so what you can do, you could use this one right here. It's going on now. It's in December of 2021. It's the 5-day holiday challenge to get sales and signups over the holidays so that you can buy your kids the gifts they want for Christmas. Here's a really cool deal. So you can use this one right here as your $1 offer. You could actually send people directly over to this page, and that's it. You could do your freebie with your posting for profits, do a short video. I'll show you how to set that up on your OTO page. It's very simple to do. I can show you how to do it. I'll give you a template of mine that I've done and take them straight over to this, a $1 trial. Boom, they're done, right? So check it out. It's a way to have all of your material taken care of, okay? And I can show you this entire process. It's so cool. You do all that front legwork. I said, and this is a system right here that I'm personally using to then create content. To actually, it creates the content for you. You just have to do all the detail work of like putting in what their pains and discomforts are and that sort of thing. And guess what? You get taken care of. It's amazing stuff. But anyway, I can walk you through that on the next video, and that will be a really cool video. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. And if you have not picked up your $1 trial, go ahead and do that. And for doing the $1 trial offer, click the link below, and I will make sure that you get a token. Okay, they use share tokens with Inside Funnelizer, and I will give you this funnel. You'll get a DIY sales funnel squeeze page, you'll get a thank you upsell page, and you'll get an OTO and a downsell page. If you want to use those, you can use all of them. You don't have to use them all, but you'll have the template set up. All you need to do is then connect stuff. And again, I give you a course that walks you right through that process of how to take your one-click offer, your funnel token, and slide it right into Funnelizer here. Boom, it automatically populates, and you're good to go. Kind of cool. And then you can go back in and I'll walk you through the steps of everything else, literally step by step. Anyway, $1 trial offer. Drop the link below. We'll talk to you later. Bye.